Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to this sweet video. If you are looking for inspiration to take your cake decorating skills to the next level, you are in the right place. In this video, you will explore stunning cake decorating ideas from classic to contemporary. See these beautiful buttercream designs, perfect for any occasion. Fondant work to create stunning sugar flower, and more creative way to use fresh flowers and other toppings. Look at these gorgeous cakes with simple layering techniques. Check out these adorable cake topper made from fondant and perfect for special occasion. These cake decorating ideas are perfect for birthday parties, weddings, anniversaries and graduations. Amazing cake painting techniques to create unique and personalized designs. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more cake decorating content. Happy decorating, and I will see you in the next video.